So you have a problem with appetite. Your client have a problem with appetite. Do you have to use drugs? Do you have to use an appetite suppressant? Perhaps not. Not all the patients with appetite problem need to go straight to the drug. Perhaps there are some foods, some nutrients that can help us taking control of our own appetite. There are several studies shows that, first of all, protein. Having a sufficient and good protein intake during a weight loss program is necessary. Not only protein can increase thermogenesis, meaning increase your energy burn or energy usage. Protein is also beneficial because it helps retain muscle mass during a weight loss program. And more importantly, protein can also help you control your appetite. The role of protein in individual ability to reduce appetite has been reported. If somebody is eating sufficient amount of protein, that protein can help them reduce their appetite or their hunger sensation. Why? Because protein, when they're digested into amino acids, this can induce release of cholecystokinin, a protein that's released by intestine that goes to the brain and sending the signals of full or satisfaction. And when that happens, you have less feeling of hunger. And it can last for quite some time. So sufficient protein intake is necessary. No, you don't have to go directly buying whey. You can also using protein that is in the food. Eggs, chicken, fish are good source of protein. Second, fiber. Fiber also has been shown to help us reduce appetite, make us feel full. Food that high in fiber usually have low energy density. What does that mean? Meaning that even though the energy content is low, the food that high in fiber usually are voluminous. They can fill our intestine and making us feel full. And not only that, when the fiber is being fermented by bacteria in our gut, what happens is that fermentation releases short-chain fatty acid, or HFA. The HFA, or short-chain fatty acid, then will be accepted or will be transported by the intestine and will be circulated. Interestingly, studies also shown that those short-chain fatty acid can induce release of a protein called glucagon-like peptide 1 or GLP-1. That GLP-1 has an appetite suppressant effect that makes you feel full or satisfied and making you eat less. The third is capsaicin, a biomolecule or bioactive component inside of chili. That capsaicin can help you reduce weight by reducing your appetite. Of course, it's still controversial how we're going to induce capsaicin to individuals. Because, some people really don't like spicy foods. And some people can't really handle that. So what option that they have? Well, there is still option. The other one is caffeine. Caffeine is a molecule that found in coffee, also tea, that can help us taking control of our appetite. So coffee or tea drinking can help us control our appetite, reducing the feeling of hunger. And those something that we can use to help us taking control of appetite. There's a lot of problem with individuals during weight loss program is that their inability to take control of their own appetite. Some people have high appetite, and the problem is how to deal with that. How to make that high in appetite being a bit reduced so that they can actually a bit stick to the diet that they have. Those are nutrients that can help us gaining control of our appetite so we can help and in compliance to the low calorie diet. Thank you for watching the video until the end. If you are still interested to understand more about energy, appetite regulation in the context of weight loss program, please click the link at description. We have classes at Udemy for free just for you. See you.